Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm in California, which means I went to the Daiso store. So of course I can't go to Daiso without sharing with you everything that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to take things out one at a time. First thing I got was some 3D tile stickers. You can see them. It's just a long sheet there, but I think they're supposed to be made for like backsplash, but I'm going to use them for a DIY. So, of course, if you know I go to Daiso, I always pick up these little guys here. It's a ceramic knife, and they work really, really well. So everything at Daiso is, I think it's 100 yen, which works out to $1.50. So everything's about $1.50 unless it's marked otherwise. So look at this cute little basket. It's a wire basket, and then it comes with that little guy, so you could keep that if you wanted to keep some nice stuff in there, or you can take this off and have the wire basket, which I don't even know what I want to do with it, but it was so cute that I had to buy it. I grabbed a few of these right here. They're canvas totes. They're really pretty little canvas. And for $1.50 I thought I would grab a few of these because I have some of my stamping team that are celebrating milestones, and I thought that would be a cute gift to decorate with my Cricut. Let's see, I've got this wooden collection box, definitely going to be DIYing that. And you could see my ring light. Can you see my ring light? That means I traveled with my ring lights because I knew I would be shopping. Wanted to make sure that I could show you what I bought. So this is actually really cute. It opens up like that, and then this has a little plastic over it. So it's like a shadow box or any type of box that you could just see right through. But thought that was great for $1.50. Oh, what else do I have in here? Oh, I had to pick up some Pez. If you know me, you know I love Pez. I probably have about 100 different Pez dispensers. So I picked these up, and then when I am doing videos or something, I usually pop one in, or my grandkids will come and I'll, tilt the little heads back so they can have one. Oh, I put that away. Kept the Pez and put the other away. Okay, I picked up a couple of these. I think my friends were looking for them, so I picked them up to see if these were them. They are A6 hard card cases. I know I use them to hold my different cards in there to keep them safe when I travel. And so I have those. They're just little hard cases. I picked up one of these. I don't know if you could see it. The light's really glowing on it. There you go. So you just open that up, and what it is, it's an earphone case. So it's got a little thing there, and I have one. I have a little round one where I keep my earphones and my I also keep my plugs, these little guys. My charging cords, I keep them in there as well, so when I travel. But this one, you guys, I wanted to tell you specifically, this is going to be for my face mask, because you don't want to just stick your face mask in your purse or wherever. So I thought having one of these just to put my face mask in would be a really good idea. So I got that. What else do I have here? I use the rolling carts for so many things. I have a few of them. I have one for my die cut machine. I have another one for my Cricut machine. And then I have another one for my art supplies. So these fit perfectly on them, you guys. And these are just little mesh baskets. So you just hang it on your rolling cart and you're good to go. You can put your scissors in there, your cutting tools, anything like that. And then look at this. It is metal. So I also grabbed one of these. It is a, what do they call it? A stainless magnet tray. So I have these. I can put it on my rolling cart again because it does have a gigantic magnet. And then my dies, if I'm using little tiny dies, I can put them in there and I know that they are going to go in here and I won't get them lost all over the place. So I use this for stamping. What else do I have in here? I have all kinds of stuff. I picked up some more little corks with lights for my wine bottles. I have a super cute wine bottle DIY coming up, and I haven't told you, I'm actually in my room that I grew up in. So, holy smokes, I've been sleeping in my own bed that I grew up in. It's really cool. And, okay, so I got these wire lights. They go for, in the wine. I'm sorry if you're shaking back and forth. I'm not used to, there we go. This is a color changing interior light. I'm gonna move it back. No, you still can't see. There you go. It is, I wish you could see. There you go. It's like a gigantic ball, like a disco ball, and it's got a light in there, and I cannot wait to turn it on. I'm sure I will use this in some type of DIY, and I don't know what yet, but it is so cute. Oh, we've got some little food things, so I'm going to pick them both up. I love high chews. They're just nice little gummy type taffy candy. So let's see there, high chews. This one is in kiwi, and this one is in banana flavor. And then this is called sweet corn pretz, and they're little corn pretzels, little teeny tiny sticks of, like, I don't know, I would guess, I haven't had one, but I would think that they're maybe like little cornbread sticks, like little hard pieces of cornbread. I have to show you this. I have one already. It's like in the shape of a flower, but I wish that light is so bright. But we've got, it looks like this. I don't know if you could see. It's got a little slit in the middle there, and it holds rubber bands. I use them to hold my rubber bands, but I also use them to hang my necklace. I stick my necklace through there, and it just hangs, and it attaches right to your mirror. It's got suction, and I don't know if this one, I'm going to open this one, because my other one is in the shape of a flower. This one does not have suction. It actually has a little tab, so it's like a sticker. But these work great, guys, especially if you do use rubber bands and you can never find them. They just fit right on there. And then I get requests all the time whenever I go to Daiso. So I got my daughter some hair bands, just like this. There's only two. You guys, this is 75 cents a hairband, but she loves them. She swears by them. So I picked her up a couple. I also grabbed the Frixion pens. These are erasable pens, and I have a book that you can write in this book, and the paper is kind of like dry erase. And once you filled up that book, if you don't want to save anything, you could take pictures of it and save it onto a Google Docs or something like that. And then you stick it in the microwave, turn it on the microwave for like 30 seconds, it erases the whole book. These pens, they erase with heat, like a microwave. They also erase with baby wipes. So, and they also have a little teeny tiny rubber eraser right there as well. So I picked up a red one and a blue one because I already have purple and black at my house. And then this one is a 3-tiered. Oh, I wish that light. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry, but it's just a 3-tier. You can place it this way, place it that way, however you would like. But it's white. It's got 3 cubbies there, and it goes with my storage system that I have on my desk for stamping. So I picked that up. I also picked up 2 of these. If you guys take the B vitamins, these are the best I've ever had. So I'm not going to endorse them, but I picked them up there And they're really good for me. So, but they have those there, so I picked those up and threw it on the floor. So that's everything I have. I hope you like it. Give me a big thumbs up. I haven't gone to a Dollar Tree yet, so let me know in the comments below if you want me to see if I can get to a Dollar Tree tomorrow morning or No, tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow morning was when I could do it. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you later. Bye!